Hey, I forgot to post the other video, but whatever. So there'll be maybe 2 tonight, but I finally got the valve cover off, and the valve spring compressor I plan to use does not work well at all. It plops off the springs, and I don't want to take a chance at chucking a spring or something and knocking the valve into the cylinder. So I ditched that idea, and then I went back to the old trusty screw it on the stud. What a pain in the butt, because everything is in the way, so you have to reverse it and push the handle away, but the EGR tube is in the way, so you have to adjust it so it has, you know, the throw starts down here and push. Nightmare. Also, my compressor is apparently dying on me, so basically I would do one cylinder and it would trip the breaker on the motor. So I'd have to wait 20 minutes, push the little reset, do one cylinder, wait, on and on and on. But I got this side all done. I just finished adjusting the valves, and I did it the same way I do and used to do all the small block Chevys. It's so starting at the front, that's an exhaust, so when the intake is closing, so you just kind of snug them all down, and once you see the intake valve open and then start to close, you adjust the exhaust. And then for the intake, when you see the exhaust start to open, you adjust the intake, and you just spin the push rod until it ever so slightly gets a little bit of pressure on it. That's like 0 lash, and then you just do 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn. I usually go like in between 5/8 of a turn. So I just got done with this side. I'm gonna put the valve cover back on, and then I got to get out of here because I'm dying right now. But I did find 2 broken springs. There's another piece down in there off of one of these springs. And then these 2 pieces are off of this spring here, which was the very front cylinder. So not really sure if they're just cheap springs, or these are Summit springs, I believe is what he said. So yeah, you can see it's broke right there. So I don't know. Yep, and that one's broke there. I don't know anything about them. They're definitely very different. The locks on these are way, way, way bigger. If you look in comparison, this is the new lock, this is the old lock. So these are way bigger than the old ones. The springs look about the same, other than the inside dampener does not come down. It's not as long as these. Oh, that one's broke too. Oh, so maybe those 2 pieces are off of these 2 springs. But the inside dampeners, they come pretty far down on this one. You can kind of see it almost comes to the last coil. That one looks broke too. I don't know. These ones are only about half the distance. So, not sure what the difference is. I didn't look the specs up or nothing like that. These are a comp 981-16. So it has all the seat load, 105 pounds, all that stuff on there. So yeah, I got all the plugs out on this side, so that it's easier to turn over and adjust the valves. So like I said, I'm going to throw the valve cover back on this side so it's sealed up, and then I'm getting off. Quick video today, but appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Leave me a comment. As always, have a good day.